Hi, I'm Keith Collins. I'm a district manager here in Minnesota for Farmers Insurance District 54. And our Protege program is a great mentorship program where an agent learns how to be an agent from a mentor agent who is one of the best in the business.
My name is Caleb Sheets. I'm an agency owner and I was a protege under Joshua Arnold. I met Josh. I applied to an ad on Indeed. He reached out to me then and asked for an interview. And he really sold me on the Protege program, largely because of the benefits of being an agency owner, of being able to control my own time for work, and the benefits of the pay.
Hi, my name is Joshua Arnold and I'm a Farmers agent owner. I'm in Northern America. What I love best about being an agent owner is the fact that it's my business. I get to control what we do, I get to help people, I get to help my staff, I get to be involved in my community, but overall whatever I put into it is what I'm going to get out of it. Best part about the Protege program is the fact that the proteges are fully engrossed in the program. They get help from not just agency owners but the district as well. They get weekly meetings with the associate district manager, along with they have access to their agents anytime for help.
It takes a lot of hard work, dedication, and grit to be a great protege agent and really successfully complete the program while learning your craft.
I mean, you learn all sorts of things in the program. You learn things from how to sell a policy, how to talk to customers, as well as how to run an agency, budgeting, how to deal with employees. And you learn this not only from your agent that you're working with, but also from the weekly meetings every single week, along with other proteges in the program, so you can really bounce off ideas from a lot of different angles, from people who have just started the program, from people who are about to finish, and everywhere in between, as well as someone who's been dealing with this program for a long time.